Writers, welcome back to writing. Many of you have been talking to me about the fact that you are writing more. And I thought about that and I realized that in this particular unit, there are three kinds of more. There was the first kind of more that we did at the beginning of the unit, where you would write more letters to more people. And right now, we're working on writing more sections about one book, developing more than one opinion about Fly Guy or about Mr. Putter or about Elephant and Piggy. There's a third kind of more that we're going to work on today. And that kind of more is writing more in the section. Specifically, I want to teach you that you can write more in a section by supporting or proving or giving evidence for your opinion. I want you to take a look at some writing I did based on yesterday's idea that Pinky is feeling unsure of himself. You saw me yesterday or the day before develop a section called Pinky is Feeling Unsure. I want to show you that writing right now. What I have so far is this. The third grade bully, Kevin, makes Pinky unsure of himself. He calls Pinky a sissy and says that he's acting like a girl. Pinky feels so unsure of himself that he decides he can't be friends with Rex anymore. I have expressed my opinion, writers, and I've given one piece of evidence to support my idea. But now I'm going to write more and try to search for more pieces of evidence because I want to support my opinion with as many pieces of evidence as I can. So what do? Exactly what you did with me yesterday. We go back to our story and we look for more evidence. When I started looking, I found this part of the story where Kevin takes Pinky's soccer ball on recess. And I started thinking about that. And I remembered that Pinky did not stand up for himself. Pinky didn't grab the ball back. So I realized that this is another example of how Kevin is intimidating or taking Pinky's confidence away. So using these pages as another example, I added to my writing. I wrote, another example of when Pinky feels unsure of himself is when he is playing soccer and Kevin takes his soccer ball. Kevin teases Pinky and tells him he's acting girly. Pinky does not stand up for himself. So my opinion is Kevin is making Pinky feel uncertain. I wrote one idea that I remembered, and then I went back to my book and found another piece of evidence to prove that Pinky was feeling unsure. That is what I would like you to challenge yourself to do today. Write more in your section by finding evidence and proof in your book. That's the third way of writing more in opinion writing. Your teacher may have you practice this with her a little bit more, or she may be ready for you to write. Let's see if today we can write more by finding more reasons and more evidence to support our opinion. Let's get writing.